guys, welcome back to your video, and today I'm going to show you how to make some DIY squishies, and this is an example that I just made, and it's a little squishy. So, let's bring in our mini handy-dandy suitcase. This will be helping us. Guess what's in it? This will make it squish. Wait, oh my gosh, that was actually so satisfying to look at. Hold on, wait guys. 3, 2, 1. Clouds. Okay, so. Step 1, get your clouds, aka fluff. And then step 2. And then step 2, get a piece of paper, and any is fine, even with the labels. Step 3, get tape or glue stick. Step 4, if you want to draw a face on it like this, grab any color marker. So yeah, let's get started. Hold on. So I think I might do pink first, but yeah, that doesn't work. Ooh, but this pink does work. Okay, so grab a piece of paper. Oh, and then you also might need a pair of scissors. So grab a piece of paper and grab something that you can fold, like a big enough piece of paper that you can fold. Step 5, put that out. And then step 6, fold it. Step 7, get your fluff. Step 8, put it in the squish. And step 9, you can also squish it if you want. And then step 10. Wait, don't do that. Don't do that yet. Don't do that. Hold on. Don't do that. You have to draw your marker. If you did that, you can restart. Just take out the fluff. Draw your thing. This is, I'll show you an example what I'm gonna do. This is the piece I did, and I think it's really cute. So then put step 9, put all the fluffing, and then step 10, grab your tape or glue stick, and then just put it on. Wait guys, it's coming together. I'll put that up later. Daddy's back. Yeah.
Hello. Get back. Oh. Well, it's all good, my conversation with him.
Okay.
He wanted to know what I thought, how we could retain into August. He wanted my opinion on that, and I have to do a lot of paperwork on all of this. But anyway, it was all good. Can I leave this here for tonight? Don't put it anywhere, please. No tokas.
Can you put it in the table then so it doesn't get wet, Paul? I just don't want it to get wet. That's why I'm saying from there.
I can put it in the.
There's your DIY
Can I put it in
squishy.
this?
Oh, yeah.
Here.
Yes.
Right here.
And I'm gonna make more actually.
She's tired.
Yes.
Anything
But
else with it?
let's go check out my DIY squishies.
You still got time to watch the show? Or? Too late.
Yeah, but what did he say to you?
Oh, I just have to go through all the cases with them, the shipment,
What would you like to
codes, and all that. I got so much work to
Oh,
do.
I would just like to purchase these squishies.
Okay.
Okay, those will be for free. Okay, thank you. Just scan them. Beep. Beep. Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Boy. Okay, then here's my little bag. And then there.
I think I gotta take him just a run. Let's take him to the doctor.
Can I come?
No, it's too late. I got to Jeremy.
Mm.
You can just take him home too, Paul. Walk him around the thing there. That's what I did that one day. I just walked him in the backyard. That's what I did. Not the brightest thing.
Why? Stop lying. Oh, sorry. How do I look? Do I look fat enough?
Yes, you do.
Stop. Wow. Is Benny in your film? Did you
Bam.
put Benny in?
No.
Right.
Wait, hold on, guys.